Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto G62 and I'll show you face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago. Now I'll make it a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how far this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here fast and correct, and we just unlocked the device less than in 1 of the second. This is the good result for the face unlock. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the fingerprint or than the PIN code or passcode unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.